Hi friends, you are watching Re-Energize by Winnie. This is the first tutorial about how to choose 5 basic macrame tools that are found in our home. I hope you will like this video and find it useful. Before starting with the tutorial, kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. That will encourage me to do more tutorials on how to macrame and share important tips with you all. Please watch the video till the last as I'll be giving a shout out to one person at the end of the video. Also, I'll be sharing very important tips, so do not skip the video. Let's get started. The tools shown in the video are for the beginners who want to learn macrame without investing and can use the tools that are available at our home. I have linked few items in the description below that are used in the video. First tool is a scissor. Always use a scissor that has sharp edge so that you can cut the cords easily and quickly, as you need to be quick in cutting cords for the large projects. But if you are a beginner, you can use any scissor to cut the cords. But if you want to master in macrame and want good results to your project, then you definitely need to invest in a good scissor that you have to use only for cutting macrame cords. Second tool is a comb. In the beginning, I used a nice and clean comb to brush out the fringes of the cord. Later, I invested in a brush that is used for macrame. This brush has fine bristles which helps to brush out the fringes easily and gives a nice and smooth finish to the project. Third tool is a measuring tape. Measuring tape is used to measure the cords whether it's a small or a big project. Measuring the cord is very important as it helps with less wastage of cord. Fourth tool is a glue. Glue is used to stick the ends of the cords so that they stick together. I use fabric glue, but you can use any normal glue. But make sure you use very less amount of glue, as it can make your project look messy. You can also use needle and thread to sew the macrame project. Fifth and a very important tool I will be showing in this video is a working pad. Working pad is very important as it helps to hold the project firm so that you can work with it. To secure the cords to the working pad, you can use T-pins. Later, you can invest in a working rack like so. We have customized it. You can also get one customized from a local carpenter. There are many such tools that are used for large projects. If you want to know in detail, kindly comment down below in the comment section. I will make a detailed video. Shout out goes to Kristin Colasso. I have linked his channel in the description below. Kindly subscribe to his channel. Kindly like and share the video to maximum people you can reach. Comment down below so that you can win a chance for the shout out in my next video. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.